All right, in fact, a delegation of opposition MPs has just met with the president. Members of all the parties were present. Also a part of this delegation was Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi. In fact, he spoke to the media just minutes after the meeting got over. Let's listen in. In fact, Rahul alleging that the voice of the opposition, the voice of democracy, according to him, is being crushed inside Parliament. Let's listen in.
राहुल जी, आपने राष्ट्रपति जी से मुलाकात की है। मुलाकात का क्या मुद्दा था और कैसी रही मुलाकात?
Well, we met the president. We met him because of the bill that was passed through Parliament without allowing any discussion. There is a sense in the country that the voice of people is being suppressed. This is being done across the country, and now it has been done in Parliament House. Blatantly. This is not the way to run parliamentary business, and that is why we came to the president here to complain. हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ। पार्लियामेंट में बिल को बिना कोई डिस्कशन अलाउ किए लोकसभा में सरकार ने पास किया। पूरे देश में लोगों की आवाज को दबाया जा रहा है। डर है लोगों में, इसलिए हम प्रेसिडेंट के यहाँ आए। उनको हमने बताया कि पार्लियामेंट्री प्रोसीजर फॉलो नहीं किया है और पार्लियामेंट की आवाज, लोकसभा की आवाज दबाई गई है, कुचली गई है।
Any assurances from President that you got?
Well, normally the format here is that we put our view across and the president takes note and listens. We gave the president a memorandum which he accepted.
राहुल जी, नोटबंदी में भी क्या आप लोगों ने प्रेसिडेंट से शिकायत की कि लोगों को दिक्कतें हो रही है, क्योंकि प्रेसिडेंट ने खुद उसकी तारीफ की।
हमारा सिर्फ डिस्कशन पार्लियामेंट्री लोकसभा का जो प्रोसीजर है, जो लोकसभा की आवाज कुचली गई है, दबाई गई है, उसके बारे में।
राहुल जी,
we are only going to comment on
राहुल जी, सवाल
आप कुछ बोलें।
So what I want to mention that many opposition parties together, 16 opposition parties together have come today to clarify and to explain to Honorable President the way this taxation amendment bill was taken over in Lok Sabha itself. And naturally we are all aggrieved. We thought that parliamentary democratic system or the rules and procedure of business of parliament are being broadly evaluated. So we made a fervent appeal to the head of the constitution of the country, Honorable President, to intervene into it and to see that the bills are passed according to the rules and procedure. And we hope that we will get some positive results if we can keep together ourselves in a way, and all the opposition parties, if we are united, we can do so many things.
राहुल आने वाले वक्त में राहुल जी
Okay, so all these opposition parties uniting, going to the president. Let's quickly bring in my colleague Supriya Bhardwaj on this bit of breaking news. Any assurance that they got from the president? They went with their set of demands. What did they hear back, Supriya?
Well, Padmaja, they are saying that the president has taken the memorandum into consideration, and as Sudipta Bandyopadhyay, TMC leaders and other Congress leaders are putting across, that they are hoping that if they are going to stay united, there will be some positive action. Now, they haven't dealt information as to what will be positive action. I do ask this question as to what happened next when they had presented the memorandum, but on that they said that the memorandum was accepted and president will look into it. Interestingly, in the memorandum, the MPs and the opposition parties have mentioned that custodian and protector of the constitution is President of India, and he should intervene at this juncture as the democratic rights of the member of parliament are being trampled upon by a brute and authoritarian government. Now, this is what the crux is, Padmaja, as far as that memorandum is concerned, and the
Okay.
opposition parties have been raising it time and again, saying that it is the rights of the member of the parliament which have been trampled upon. We have to understand that earlier they were saying the rights of the people have been trampled upon, but in this entire instance of income tax amendment bill getting passed, they are saying even their rights are also being violated in a fashion by the government. It's a huge charge,
Right.
huge allegation which has been leveled by the opposition against the government.
Right.
And finally, they have brought the fight all the way to President's doorstep.
All right. Thanks very much, Supriya, for joining us on that.